This video is going to show you the general outline of a 5-paragraph academic essay. So you can see here I have my 5 paragraphs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first paragraph is always called the introduction, or sometimes the opening paragraph. Now, in this introduction, you often want to provide a hook sentence. This is something that grabs the reader's attention. And then maybe some other information that they need to know to understand the topic of your paper. So the topic of your paper needs to be very clear. That's the purpose of this introduction. Now, the second purpose is also to provide your thesis, okay? So a thesis sentence summarizes what the entire paper will be about. And what you often do in your thesis is you give the topic of your paper plus your position on this topic, or maybe it's your opinion, and then you outline how you're going to prove this position or opinion. So you're always going to list 3 reasons why you agree with this position that you have on this topic. And the reason you need to outline and state these 3 positions is because this is what forms the basis of the rest of your paper. So I would take my A position, my A reason, and that's going to be paragraph 2. B will be paragraph 3, and C will be paragraph 4. So then in my body paragraphs, which are these 3 paragraphs, 2 through 4, you're always going to have a topic sentence. All right, so let me divide this paragraph up so you can see it. So your topic sentence tells the reader what this whole paragraph will be about. Okay, it's like a summary of this paragraph. Then you're going to give your evidence. This can be a quote, a fact, statistic, your own experience, whatever it is. But you give this here, you'd have your citation, and then you need to explain this evidence. So tell the reader, what does this evidence mean? How does it relate to your topic? And then at the end of this paragraph, you need to explain how this evidence relates back up here to your thesis, okay? And you just repeat this for your 3rd paragraph and your 4th paragraph with the distinct evidence that you have for each of your reasons from your thesis. And then your 5th paragraph is your conclusion, okay? And this is where you basically do 2 things. You summarize your paper again, okay? So everything that you stated in 2, 3, and 4, given a summary here that's 1 to 2 sentences long, okay? And then you need to kind of make it clear what your takeaway value is. Now, by a takeaway value, I mean, what do you want your reader to do, think, or feel after they've read your paper, okay? So state that again in a couple of sentences for the reader. And then if you did include any specific sources and have citations, at the bottom you'll have your works cited or your references page if you're using APA. So right there, that's the general way to outline the 5-paragraph academic essay. And at the end of this video, you'll see additional videos that can help you with writing a thesis sentence or a body paragraph.